Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Kumar. Today in this video we will learn about mail merging. How can we merge mail to send bulk messages or email? Especially during this pandemic time, as we are conducting a lot of conferences and seminars, so we have to send certificates in bulk. So today we will learn how can we send bulk certificates by using mail merging. Mail merging is not a new option, it is very old option, but currently we are not using it so frequently. We are talking about CertifyEM and AutoCAD, but both of them have their own limitations. As if we are a regular user, then we can send only 100 certificates, and if we are a G Suite user, then we can send up to 1500 certificates. But if we have to send 2000, 3 or 4000 certificates, then we can use mail merging option. There is no restrictions of sending certificates using mail merging. For using with the mail merging, we can done it with the help of Microsoft Word, but there we need some add-ons. I will show you. As this is the interface of MS Word, all we know. If we have to use this option mail merging using MS Word and Excel, then we have need an extra add-on here on Acrobat. If we have Acrobat, then only we can use mail merging option in MS Word, and that is paid. So today we will learn how can we freely send bulk messages using mail merge. For this we will use LibreOffice. LibreOffice is an alternative to MS Office, and it is a open source software. It is free, and it is always good to use open source software. So let us learn what is LibreOffice. For this I click on Google and I simply type here LibreOffice. Then I click here. This is the home page of LibreOffice. If we want to download it, then we have to click on LibreOffice. We can download it by clicking here. If we have a 64-bit system, then we can download 64-bit system of LibreOffice from here. If we have 32-bit, then according to our computer system, we can download the LibreOffice. If I click on this, then it will be downloaded. As I have already downloaded, I will show you in my download folder. When we click on download, then this setup will be downloaded. It is around 298 MB software. We can download it easily, and it is a exe file, so we can install it. After installing, we will got this type of icon on our desktop. If I click on this, file, new, then there are many options: text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, formula, database, HTML document. All these options are available in MS Word or also available in LibreOffice, and they are more interesting. If I click on new text document, then you can see this is almost same as the MS Word document, and almost all the options are same, such as we have font, we can bold it, italic, underline, we can change the color, we can align it center, left or right, whatever, we can justify it, we can use a numbering, we can also insert table. So this is the basic interface of LibreOffice Writer. So how can we use LibreOffice to send mail merge? For this we need some data to whom we want to send certificates. For this we have already created a database as in our Excel sheet spreadsheet. Suppose I write the name here. This is the spreadsheet. Suppose I want to send the certificate of these 3 people. We can add up to how many people we want to send the certificate. We can add 1000, 2000 or 4000. We can send certificate to them. So this is our database. We will require this for sending the certificate to the participants. Now I just type something as a sample certificate. This is sample certificate of participation. So now let us learn how to send this certificate to all the participants. This is simple. We can design it. If we have designed a certificate in MS Word, then we can also import it here. For this, let us click here. Let us click on edit button. We have to remember all these steps. Let us click on edit button. After clicking on edit button, we have to click on exchange database. After clicking on edit, we have to click on exchange database. There are a lot of options, but we have to click on exchange database. If we click here, there are available databases. If our database is showing there, then we can take it. Otherwise, we can browse it. Suppose I browse it. Desktop, LibreOffice. Suppose I choose his name. As I select this. If I select this, then this define button must be activated, but it is not currently activated because a spreadsheet can contain more than one sheet. There may be 2, 3 or 5 sheets. So I click here and I have to click on sheet this. Then I click on define. So in this way our database is defined. Once more I repeated, I have to insert my database by clicking on edit and then go to exchange database. After exchange database, we have to insert our database where we have saved it in a spreadsheet. After that, it is not showing here. Then we go to view. After going to view, then we have to go at last. We are seeing data sources. I have to go on view and at last we have to click on data sources. Then we can see that our database is showing here. And we can see here name, email, college name. These are called match fields. These are called match fields. And this is our sample certificate. This is certified that from here we requires name and here we requires college. We can add more match fields as per our need. So how the name will appear here? Simply we have to click on this, just drag it and put it here. Now we require college name, then simply we have to click on it, drag it and put it here. We can add any number of match fields. Now if you want to bold them, or it is already bold, we can make them bold by selecting it is also bold. We can change their color. We can use all the options available here. We can make them italic. So we can do anything what we need. Now in this row we see that these options. This is mail merge option. This is data source. This is current document on off. So we will click on this option mail merge, then a row will be activated. If I click on this, then this pop-up appear. Simply we have to click on next, next, next and finish. Now we can see that this row is also activated, and here what is mail merge wizard, edit individual documents, save merge documents, print merge document, send email messages or data sources. So we are ready to send. If we want to click on this edit individual document, then we will see that number of certificates we have generated. We have entered a database of 3 people, so 1 2 3. If we have entered the database of suppose 1000 people, then 1000 certificates generated immediately. Currently I close it and I don't save. Next, what option is save merge document. If you want to save this merge document, no. Print merge documents, if we click on this print option, then all the documents will be saved as PDF documents, but we want to send all the participants individual certificate, so we will send them a message. But before this we have to make some settings for SMTP settings. These are called SMTP settings, simple mail transfer protocol. For this I have click on tools, then I have go to options. There are a lot of options, but we will choose LibreOffice Writer. I click on this. After clicking on this, we will get lot of options, but we have to choose mail merge. What we have done, we have to go to tool, then we choose LibreOffice Writer. After that we will select mail merge email. Now this window appears as my name shows here, my email ID. You can use whatever your ID, my email ID. Then the server name is SMTP, and this is my Hotmail ID. For Hotmail ID, the server is Office 365. If we are using Gmail, then we put here simply smtp.gmail.com. But my email ID is of Hotmail, then I am using server as Office 365. After entering all these value, port is by default 587. No need to change. Now I click on server authentication. I have to check this. The outgoing mail server SMTP requires authentication. We have to again enter the same email ID and password. Now I click on OK. Next we have to check test setting. We can see that establish network connection successful, find outgoing mail server successful. So now I click on this and click on OK. Next, now what, we are ready to send the certificates. For this we go to here, send email messages. I click on this, then this email sending option appears. Now to whom we want to send email, we will click on email. If we want to CC to this email to anyone, then we have to click on and we can enter those email IDs for CC. Subjects is suppose FDP certificate. Send as. Now I click on this. There are many options: open document text, Adobe PDF, MS Word, HTML message or plain text. We can choose any options. We choose Adobe PDF documents. Now send records, send all documents or from 1 to 1. We can select all the documents, or suppose we are sending 1000, then we can choose from 1 to 500 or 1 to 200, whatever our choice is. Then I click on now I have to click on send documents. We can see that sending email message. Transfer status. Now all the emails has been sent to the participants. So let us check it. I go to my email, refresh it. As you can see that I immediately receive the certificate. If I click on this is the sample certificate. I have already discussed that we can create our own certificate. It is just a simple. I have written just 2 or 3 languages. We can design our certificate very beautifully. Now I go back. So friends, I hope you learned all the steps of creating the certificates. For your convenience, I once again repeat the process. Uh, First of all, we have to create a database in the spreadsheet. We have to save all the names or whatever information we want in our certificates, and also email ID. For after that, uh, we have to click on edit button, and then we have to go on exchange database. After clicking on exchange database, this type of window will appear, and we have to insert the excel sheet or spreadsheet from where we have saved our data. I click on. After that, we have to click on view button, and then we will click on data sources. After clicking on data sources, our information will appear here. If there are more than 5000 participants also, all the information will be shown here. After that, we will click on mail merge options. After a mail merging option, then mail merge wizard will be there, and we can see our documents, how our documents look like. We can save that. We can save all the documents in a single file as PDF from click here. The most important is how to set SMTP settings. For this, we have to go on tools. After that, we have to click on options. Then after choosing LibreOffice Writer, we have to select mail merge email. Then this information will appear. I have already told you that if you are using Gmail, then you have to use here gmail.com, smtp.gmail.com. Then we will check settings. We can send emails only if these two are successful. If one of them there may be some error, then we cannot send the certificates. Initially, in beginning, there may be some error, and we may not be successful in first time. But when we will start it one time, when the settings will be correct, then it will be remain correct forever. So in this way, we can send the bulk certificates by using LibreOffice. Now, as I have already told to you that LibreOffice is simply a replacement for MS Word. How can I can see how in MS Word we can use MS Word document, PPT, my MS Excel. So all the things are here. We can create open document drawing. We can create open document presentation. We can create open document spreadsheet. If I click on spreadsheet, then this type of file will be there. This is same as our normal Excel file. All the options are here. I close this. If we want to use presentation, then I click here, and we can make our PPTs like we create in our PowerPoint presentation, MS Word PPT. If we want to we want to make some drawing, then we click on open document drawing. Then this type of document will be there. We can draw anything here. Open document text we have already taken. So in this way we can replace MS Word, because we are using MS Word, most of us use free version, and we have not paid for that. And for some organizations or company, it may not be good to use uh, or we may say pirated or software or whatever. And we can use our LibreOffice as the replacement of MS Word, because it is a free open source software, and it is always good to use open source software. I hope you learned the how we can send bulk certificates by using mail merges. You should apply it in your process. Thank you very much.